Hello, friends. Myself Priyanshu, and this is day one of speaking English journey. Uh, I belong to village area, and I have studied in government schools. I have not much English language knowledge. Mm, so I have tried many things to learn English, but not very efficient. So I have decided to learn by myself while talking in the camera. Uh, what will happen by talking in camera in English? First one is I will improve. It will improve English day by day, and it will uh, boost my confidence to talk in camera and anywhere. So it will give me confidence after some day. uh, if mm, if I will do, if I will consistent by regular uploading video recording after recording. uh, what happen when we talk in the camera, in our mind, no words, uh, no words we get, but I think after some days it will improve, but for now, mm, I promise to myself to record every day, not more than, but minimum 5 minutes recording of video, so that it give me it it give me boost confidence, and I will consistent. I'm talking in English, so I have feeling that I nothing know. Means I nothing know in English. After 10 days, my exam, but I don't know how to speak English, and my exam medium is English. What will happen? Oh God. Let's see, guys. Hope so good. But we will consistent like this daily, and we will improve every mistake, and please comment if you want to improve me at any point. Anything you can tell me, and after some days I will show you what my improvement happens. So if you want to stay with my journey, please subscribe my channel, so that you can see how is my journey, how will be my journey. Because I know many students are facing this issue, especially from rural areas, and I am from Bihar. I have studied in village, my hometown, my home village, government school. As you all know, what is government school in Bihar, what is the condition of the government school of Bihar. So my English is not good. So uh, we will talk